Hello, today's topic is hypertension. What is hypertension? When the blood pressure is over 140 by 90, we call hypertension. What is the difference between hypertensive urgency and emergency? In hypertensive emergency, BP is raised and also there is organ damage. Whereas in urgency, only BP is raised. That is 180 by 120, which target organ damage is known as hypertensive urgency. Without target organ damage, it is hypertensive emergency. Hypertensive crisis is a name given when BP is over 180 by 120, which can damage blood vessels. Treatment of hypertensive emergency: no smoking, low salt, reduce obesity, increase physical activity. Drug of choice for hypertension is hydralazine. Drinks in hypertension which can be useful are lemon water, non-fat milk, apple cider vinegar. In hypertension emergency, nitroprusside and nitroglycerin are used. First line drug of choice in hypertension is ACE inhibitor and thiazide, as well as calcium channel blockers. Decrease sodium intake, decrease caffeine intake, reduce stress, reduce alcohol. These measures will bring down BP. Eat more potassium, which will also help in reducing BP. Lemon reduces BP because it is a diuretic and also reduces cholesterol. Which IV fluid increases BP? Normal saline increases BP. When to see a doctor for blood pressure? If BP is 180 by 100, if there is chest pain, shortness of breath and numbness, one should consult immediately doctor. If BP is 140 by 90, patient need medication. Increased BP, there may be no symptoms or there is dizziness, lightheadedness. Avoid pseudoephedrine, NSAID, herbal medicine in hypertension. Decrease sodium intake also in hypertension. Can BP be cured? It can be controlled and not completely cured. Fruits which are good in hypertension are banana, watermelon, beets and berries. Low dose aspirin decreases BP, honey decreases, ginger decreases, while normal saline increases BP. Target organ damage or end organ damage in hypertension are kidney, brain and retina. Pre-hypertensive stage is reversible when the BP is around 140 by 90. Which food causes hypertension? Excess of sodium containing food increases BP. What drug prevents sleep? Modafinil. Stroke can also occur with high BP. In night, BP increases because of increased sodium level. Diastolic BP is high due to diabetes, kidney damage, atherosclerosis and heart attack. If untreated BP, it will lead to even death within 1 year. Stage 1 hypertension, that is headache, vision problem, fatigue, irregular heart rate, and chest pain. That's it.